And I would like to invite Professor Kriti Ramamritan, Professor at Computer Science and Engineering Department and the head of Center of Urban Science and Engineering Department at IIT Bombay. I would also like to invite Chakravarti Sir, head of Department, Industrial Design Center, IIT Bombay, Professor Devang Kakkar, Director of IIT Bombay, Dr. Sudarshan Iyengar, PRK Murthy Sir, and Ajay Kumar Bhatt Sir on the stage. I request Kriti Sir to welcome our participants and dignitaries on and off the desk.
Good afternoon. Can you all hear me in the back? Okay. This is always a tough session to have soon after lunch because the speakers are full in terms of their food and all that, and also the listeners are half asleep. So we'll have to wake you all up. And this the students will do, I promise. We have about 9 presentations that you will see from both the speakers on the dais as well as the students who have won awards. And this will be enough excitement for you for an afternoon that you cannot do anything but listen carefully and absorb everything that comes your way. Because we're going to talk about the hackathon. You're going to hear about the hackathon that's happened in the last 1 week, to be precise, at IIT Bombay. And the genesis of this was about 2 months ago when the Make in India event, which you're part of now, to create a hackathon format and develop a way by which to identify people, students in particular, who had excellent ideas to take it to the next logical step of productization and so on. So we accepted that and sent a call for proposals which basically said, you wish your city looked better and was greener, offered its citizens more opportunities for a better life. What if you were given this chance to make your city all this and more? And we were overwhelmed with the response. We got about 150 responses from across the country and beyond. And that is what you're going to see today, the culmination of that process, which started with 150 proposals. Finally, we'll have 2 winners from 3 areas, water, transportation, and energy, being displayed in front of you. There's also a set of posters in the foyer area there where you can see details. You can talk to the people who developed these ideas and get to know more. So here we are, looking at these 3 themes, water, transportation, and energy. There are a lot more that one needs to worry about in the context of urban rejuvenation. But these 3 is a focus for our hackathon this year. And what we have done is the first thing we did was to select 10 teams from each of the 3 areas, each team having about 2 to 4 students as part of the group. And some of them had a mentor from the parent institution. And they put together a proposal in the format that we had specified to them. This was scrutinized by a set of experts, mostly professors from IITs beyond IIT Bombay. And we chose these 10 teams. Some of these selections, some of the choices that we made went beyond the IITs to our satisfaction. And what you'll see today is that there's a lot of exciting work and thoughts occurring in the minds of students and the youth at large in places beyond IITs, which is a very heartening situation. And what we did was to give them not simply a starting point, but we also wanted to make the starting point as level as possible. So we had 3 days of Gyan in the form of prototyping and packaging, allowing the students who are already smart to become smarter, and also give them ideas on how to go from ideation to productization. And we also gave some mentorship as part of our ecosystem for the students to go beyond the next step to the position they are in today. So what you see today is a tangible artifact coming out of this process. And yesterday in the morning, we had a panel of judges from the 3 areas sit and listen to these 10 teams for about 3 hours, at the end of which they identified a winner and a runners-up. And we also had a show in the afternoon where the students participated in a display of their ideas, which was open to the public. And from that, we chose a popular winner in terms of how the public at large viewed a certain idea and a product. So we have 3 winners for each theme that we have identified as a result of this process. So when you see what the students have realized, have come up with, we notice immediately that the youth of this country are eager to wear the thinking hats, apply their knowledge to solve real-world problems, and convert their passion into action. So my feeling is it's our responsibility as elders to make sure that these ideas don't stay as ideas, but go naturally to the next step with the help of people like entrepreneurs who have already been through the process, people who can mentor them in the process, people who can give them the springboard from which they can become the large entrepreneurs that you want to create of tomorrow from just being students. So this is our goal, and hopefully we have achieved. The starting point has been very, for me, satisfying, and for the students that you'll see presented for us, for the large audience, it's been a very happy trip in some sense, but also a trip which will hopefully become, will take them to places which they otherwise did not have a chance, perhaps. So with that, I would like to welcome all of you, especially our speakers on the dais, and would like to invite